I have been on YouTube for close to 7 years, and even without my consistency, I have been able to make thousands of dollars. Now imagine if I had been consistent or even made this a full-time job. You see, the possibilities are endless. In this video, I am going to share with you why you should start your own YouTube channel right now and how to start a YouTube channel in 2024 so you can tap into the opportunities that this platform offers. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I will show you how much YouTube paid me for some of my videos. Just in case you are new here, my name is Dolapo. Please take a moment to smash that like button, leave a beautiful comment, and share this video so others can also benefit. Before we dive into the step-by-step process of starting your own channel, let me share with you 5 compelling reasons why you should start right now. I mean right now. First up, the rise of video content. Did you know that video is projected to account for over 82% of all internet traffic in 2024? This means that more people are consuming content through video than ever before. Secondly, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right after Google. When people are looking for information, tutorials, or entertainment, they turn to YouTube. Now, let me tell you this. By creating a channel, you position yourself to be discovered by millions of people searching for content in your niche. I will talk about what we mean by niche later in this video. Now, to the third reason, let's talk about the money aspect. In 2024, YouTube offers even more ways to earn money, including ads, channel memberships, super chats during live streams, super thanks, and other options even before meeting up with the monetization requirements. With dedication, your channel can become a reliable income source just like mine. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate some beautiful people who used the super thanks feature to support me recently. This really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Fourth, starting a YouTube channel allows you to build a community. You will connect with like-minded individuals who share passions, ideas, and interests. Engaging with your audience through your comments and live streams creates a sense of belonging and even support. Okay, right now I'm going to share with you how to start a YouTube channel in 2024, as I previously said. The first thing you need is necessary equipment, and most of us, we usually think that you need fancy cameras or all these big gadgets to start a YouTube channel. No, you do not need that. A good smartphone can do the trick. You can as well consider investing in a microphone, or for lighting, use a ring light, or you use your natural light. When I started with my craft tutorials, then I never had a ring light. I would stay in front of a window and open the curtains, or even bring my table outside to film. So the first thing is to have an equipment, which I said that your smartphone can do the job for you perfectly. Now, the second thing you need is to create a Google account. You will need to create a Google account if you don't have one already. I believe everyone, or most of you watching this video, have a Google account. Okay, if you do not have one, please go to www.gmail.com and create a Google account. This will allow you to set up your YouTube channel, and it is very easy. Now, the third thing is to choose your niche. Now, choosing your niche is very important. A niche in content creation means a specific topic or just an area that you want to focus on. Instead of making content about everything, you can choose one particular subject or interest to create content around. For example, if you like cooking, your niche could be healthy recipes. You could just cook different recipes, show your audience how to make different types of recipes. Okay, if you love fashion, your niche might be making affordable fashion for women, sewing, tutorials, and all of that. Having a niche helps you attract a specific audience who are interested in that particular topic, making it easier to grow and engage with your followers. Pick something you are passionate about and research what is trending. Fourthly, once you have your niche, it is time to record your first video. Just pick up your phone and say something. Or if it is a tutorial or an educational content, go ahead and record. Write down whatever you want to say in form of bullet points, then develop on them while talking. You don't even have to show your face if you want to make educational content. You can go ahead and show whatever you want to teach your audience. If you do not want to show your face, you can use my method. This is not my face talking here. It is an AI picture of me talking. I have a video on how I create an AI avatar of me and how to make this avatar talk. I'll put the links in the description box below this video or right here. Now, the next step, which is the fifth one, is to edit your videos. After recording, you need to edit your video. If you want me to teach some video editing skills, please say yes in the comment section below this video. Finally, post the video on your channel and repeat these steps to create subsequent videos. Don't forget to optimize your videos for search using the right keywords and creating high-catching thumbnails that can make a huge difference. Check here on how to create thumbnails for your YouTube video. So my dear beautiful people, these are the steps to get you started on your YouTube journey even before this year ends. I promised I was going to share with you how much YouTube paid me for a video. I will share just one, okay? Now take a look at this video. I made this video 2 years ago and it got about 261k views as at the time of recording this video. In fact, this video, I just woke up and started filming. My face was not even really looking that okay. And just imagine how many views it got because of the value that I shared in this video. As you can see, this is the view I got for this video. I got about 262. Okay, at the time I recorded the screen, it got to 262.1k. And then I have 10.6k watch hour. And this gave me about 1.7k subscribers. And this is the estimated revenue for this. You know, I am in Nigeria and our cost per click here is kind of low. So if we convert this now at the rate at which dollar is moving up, you know, this makes a lot of sense. So now imagine for other videos like, you know, over time, it makes a lot of sense. So this is why I would like to encourage you to start your YouTube journey, and I'm available to assist you. If you'd like me to do a video on how to help you move quickly on this journey, please leave a comment below this video. I'll be glad to do so. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this very helpful, and I believe you're going to take a step, you know, you take a step to achieving these, you know, not just listening to this or watch this video without taking or implementing what you might have been told here. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button, drop a comment, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from this. I'll see you next time.